Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Brigitte and today I will make decoration for Christmas tree. Two kinds of flowers and icicle covered with snow. I start by mixing sparkling powder to white glue. This mixture will be used for my Christmas project. For the first flower, I fold the coffee filter 3 times and then cut a petal. I need 5 petals per flower. Keep the scrap to make handmade paper. Here I roll my petal on a pencil and wrinkle the paper to give a crepe paper effect. Here I cut 5 metal wires 6 inches long. I glue my wire to the center of the petal and fold my paper in half to hide the wire. I then wrap the wire with white tape. Ideally, I'd use florist ribbon, but I didn't have one, so I took some masking tape. I now apply glue to the petals and put some sparkling powder on it. Now I need to let the petals dry. In the meantime, I cut the petals of the second flower that will be larger and not creped. This time I use white metal wire. It's time to assemble the flowers. I use green florist ribbon here, but you can buy other colors. Now let's move to the icicle. I just need a white metal wire of 6 inches and to make a ring at one end. For the snow, I use a shredded plastic bag. Here, the best is to use hot glue because there is no drying time. You can do the same with branches. If you like this video, click like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my next video. Thank you.